Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. Even I am doing very well. So today in my video I'm gonna show you how you can do hair curling without using any curler or without using any heat to your hair, not even a straightener. Even though nowadays you can do curling with the straighteners, but now I'm gonna show you how you can do curling very naturally, and that too it takes only 1 hour. In 1 hour you can just make the curls and you can go for a party or wherever you can, or if you're staying at home also you can just, if you like curls of your hair, if you like curly hair, so then you can do the hair curling and sit at home also, and you can feel happy by looking at your hair. So if you look at my hair now, my hair is not full straight. It is a natural curl. Like I have small curling, so my hair is half curl and half straighten. So you can see straight over here and curl on at the bottom. So this is natural thing, I can't change it, but I'm gonna make it more and more curling because I just want to see, I'm not going anywhere for the party, but I just want to see how much I can curl my hair. So I hope even you like to watch the curling of my hair, and you can also try and test your hair how much it can curl. So today, without any heat, without using any serum or nothing, we are just using only few things. That yes, this is actually, you can see this is a MAC bottle, MAC setting spray bottle. This is a makeup fix actually, but so I bought a new one and I'm not using this. I thought this bottle is very good, so I put some rose water in this. So I bought a bottle from outside as I could not prepare at home. I bought a bottle from outside, so I poured that bottle. As it was not a spray bottle, I poured the rose water in this. So this is the rose water, not a MAC setting spray. Please note this. Few pins, hair pins, these things we wanted. We want a comb and we want a rubber band. That's it. With this we can do a very nice hair curling, and how it is I'm gonna show you today. Most of the people like the curly hair. If you're watching my video for the first time, just click on the subscribe button and also bell button beside that at the bottom of your video, and you will get the notification of the new videos whatever I'm gonna upload. Hope you are liking my videos. So without any delay, let's get started. So friends, we are going to make hair curling now without using any curler, and my hair, you can see it is very soft and no tangles, but if you have tangles you can remove by using a big bristled comb, which will be very easy to remove. And so the secret of my hair is because it is soft and shiny. I already did a video on this because I just finished my hair mask 2 days back, and I didn't go for any hair wash after that. You can see how my hair is, how I could manage my hair. If you do not watch that video, please do watch and try using that, and your hair will be very strong, and you can see no hair fall also. So now I put on a ponytail, you can observe the video, and now I'm taking a little amount of hair. So I'm spraying with this rose water. I already told you this is not a setting spray, makeup setting spray, it is a rose water. So we are spraying little, and now with the help of 2 fingers I'm trying to roll the hair like this. If you have too many cut hairs, try to do it properly. It is not that hard, it is very easy. It may be difficult in the beginning, but you can do it if you can try for once or twice. So secure it with the bobby pins. If it's gonna set with the one, okay, otherwise you can use other one. Okay, now it is set. So like this I'm gonna do for the rest of the hair. You can do the curlings if you want more small curls. If you can use single finger, or you can go for 3 fingers also if you want a wavy hair. That depends on the type of curls you want, and also if you want a more and more from the top also you can. It depends on the ponytail what you are wearing. If you wear ponytail and very top, you will get more and more curls. The curls will be from the top, I mean from the upper part. So that all depends on you. So I want curls from here, so I did for you, but I think you can understand the process. Try to follow how I'm showing. Try to do the same how I'm showing in the video, and I'm sure you will get the curls and you will feel very happy with that. And this is not a difficult part, it is very easy. You find that doing curl is very easy without any color, and it lasts at least for 2 days, so you don't need to worry. If you are going for any parties or any functions, this curling is the best and easiest part. Now I'm done with all the hair. If you have any leftover hair like that, try to secure with the bobby pin. Now I'm all set, and I'm gonna spray same rose water so that it will set. So guys, this my hair is all set, and I didn't disturb anything. I didn't touch my hair, and I couldn't even sleep for an hour, and I was just sitting and listening to the music. And I thought, now it's been an hour and I can just loosen my hair, open my hair before you. So let's just open and see what happens. Try to remove the pin carefully. Don't be rash on your hair, and also don't hurt yourself. Push with the other hand and pull with the other hand, so manage yourself. You can see the curls one by one coming out. You feel very happy when you are looking in the mirror. I felt so happy after looking at my curls. It was really a very good experience. As you combed your hair, there will be no tangles to your hair, and you feel very bouncy and voluminous of your hair. So these are heavy curls of my hair. You can see the curls. So this is so beautiful. If you're going for any functions, you can just tie your hair like this and finish all the works and have shower properly and finish your makeup, and then at least an hour, more than an hour, then you can just loosen up and just comb properly, or apply some serum which gives some glowing to your hair, and no any other conditioner, nothing is necessary. So no heat curls are really very beautiful. Or if you're going for a night party also, you can just come and by the time you get ready, all the curls will all be ready, and this stays at least for 2 days. So you don't need to use any color which is very bad for your hair. It damages hair, and also you can also have a hair fall, and that also will not last long. So I don't prefer using hair colors or hair straighteners. So it's better to use these kind of natural things which will not damage your hair. Still you will have curling. So these are beautiful curls, beautiful wavy and curls. So if you want, you can just give just a small stroke on the top, not from inside. Just don't be harsh on your hair. So these are my beautiful natural curls video. So I hope you like my video. I'm sure you liked it, and you can share to all your friends and family members and try doing this. So you will have a very good look. So anyways, stay tuned, and I'll be back with a new good video, and which will be very useful to you. Until then, stay tuned to my channel.